up and over the top. Looks like a few people have gone around the bottom. And regretted it. Here we are in the Don Valley. We just had a 10 centimeter snowfall for a nice little night ride. The guys that were going to join me had to bail because the conditions are just too icy and slippery and slushy on the main highways. Too much risk of them getting hurt trying to get here. So I am going to little ride down to the excuse me, down to the bridge by the flats. Testing these 45 North tires again. Oh yes, I think I got the inflation right this time. And I'm testing a pair of these neoprene covers on my riding boots. Let's see if they work. Not holding my breath, but I'll know after about an hour. And I've still got the little hot paws in my shoes. There is a bit of a breeze, and I forgot my wax top up at home, but I may not need it. Okay, a little bit of slippy slidey, but nothing significant. This feels good. So here we go. And we are off. And go left up here. I can see some other fat bikes that come through here. As you can see the trails. All the roots are gone. There's nothing to ride on, nothing to ride over. Yep. Somebody came right off that. Oh, that's cool for them. And we're riding again. So far these neoprene covers work pretty well. My feet just clip right in. I'm not obstructing anything, and I can walk just fine. Oh, a little slippery there, but go up there and you're going for a swim. Viva Till. Oh yes, winter wonderland. I can feel that there's a push in this deep snow. Deep snow, my ass. A couple inches. But fat bike is just rolling through it on its own. I would suspect that if I had a regular 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, it would have been a totally different ride. Much more of a effort to push through this stuff. A bunch of guys over on Beaver Flats. Looks like somebody thought about bunny poop, bunny run, bunny poop, and give up. Today that's probably not a bad idea. Yeah, so watch cornering because the oops, like that. Even though I got fat tires, it's always right to wash out on some kind of corner where the snow is loose, so you try to turn too sharp. So watch yourself. Oh, snow branch. For this little uphill, there's a definite headwind there. Yep. Beaver Flats again. River's Edge. Oh, what I find really difficult with this bike right now is these SRAM gears have an in between my regular Shimano's. SRAM 12, Shimano 11. I'm having trouble getting used to the ratio. Sometimes I'm like pedaling and I got lots of power, but I don't trust it, so I give up. And other times I expect to be a little harder and I don't have the it's It's a little bit harder than I expect. So I give up again. It just doesn't feel right. Just the right power feeling in my legs. If I don't have it, it's just a wash. These grippy studs, they're not always doing the grippy thing. So up like that. When there's deeper snow, tires float, and everything gets to be this slippy, slidey fun. Okay. Rachel's not quite happy. There's this river crossing. Through the bike wash. Or should I say the wheel wash? Up and over the top. Looks like a few people have gone around the bottom. And regretted it because there's entry tracks but no exit. Across the bridge, down tree branch, and slush. Tried to pull me off the bridge. That would have been exciting. Yep. Slipped out into that little rut. Looks like I'm not the only one. I guess I could try Woods Gundy, see what it's like. Looks like people are coming down that one. I think it would be some kind of settings, right? Going this way. Looks easier. Yep. There's another one. Yep. Let's just keep going. Keep riding. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Don't get off. Use the gears. Up again. Digging in. Digging in. Up over the top. Yeehaw! Downhill! Toboggan. Toboggan fat bike. Keep pedaling. Oh! Nope. Not going off the edge. Keep pedaling. Yep. Just like that. Going up the side. Take Gundy GH. Oh. Yeehaw! Okay, nicely done. Thick snow on this paved trail. Cross-country skiers are out here having fun. Back to the bridge. Alright, that was a nice little ride. That fresh snow with the fatty was interesting because even though the tires are down like maybe 6 to 8 psi, I'm not quite sure, cornering was still kind of tricky, wash out every now and again. So I'd say still fun. Better than sitting at home eating bonbons, right? You can see my light talking to you, right? That's about all you can get. So, guys, this is way too much fun. Don't miss out. Patreon subscribers, thank you very much. Helping out a lot. The Fight Cancer donations are up to $40 now. So, at the end of January, I'm going to push it all to the Canadian Cancer Society. Thank you very much. Anybody else who wants to contribute, just right here, go visit this link, sign up Patreon and join the MTB Cancer Fighters tier, and that $10 donation goes directly to the Canadian Cancer Society. Subscribers, thank you again. Remember, see if I can block this, yep, that way, you know, subscribe, you can like, share with your friends, top right corner, you know what's coming next. I think that's the subscribe button. One of these sides, I don't know. I'm talking to a mirror reflection, I'm confused. But the other side is, you know, just the link to one of the playlists. So, Don Valley 2021. Wow, that was hard. Anyway, I really appreciate everybody watching and sharing and subscribing. Everybody, stress less, ride more. I hope we meet up on the trails. Just keep 6 feet apart and you'll be fine, okay? Take care, stay safe.